How to request to join someone's TikTok live. So go ahead and open your TikTok. On your homepage, click on live. Now find the TikTok live that has allowed people to join them. If you find this icon with two people on the bottom part, this is the join live icon. So go click on that. After this, you will be sending a request to join. You just need to wait for the user to accept you and you will be able to join the live with them. But if this notif will pop up that you need live access, you need to consider some factors. First, users below 16 years old are not allowed to go live on this app. Second, there are some regions where the live function is not available. And lastly, you actually need 1,000 or more followers before you access the live on TikTok, whether as a guest on your own profile or on your own profile. So that is how you request to join someone's TikTok live. Do let us know if this video helps you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.